afternoon. Well, bang, here we are, y'all. They try to dog me on Facebook and stop me because they see I'm hot. They came up with some old funky ass, some damn post that was like 3 years old. You know how the memories come up, and then you press the button and put it all up there. This one, they found, they had a problem with it. They didn't have no problem with it before. But I guess it's true that, when Meta first came on, they got rid of Bootsy's shit, man, because he had a girl on there doing whatever, right? But here they was putting whatever they wanted on the damn thing, and nobody never said not a damn thing, and it just kept coming till people started complaining. So now I'm over here, and I guess we're gonna hang out over here, cause you know how it go. You ain't gonna give up Facebook. They put me, or they put everybody say they sanction you or restrict your little movements for a while. So be it. Who the fuck cares right now? All I want to tell my people is you just hang in there. I'm gonna be back. And a lot of shit that's on there, man, they don't give you no chance. They didn't give me no chance that time. They just restricted the damn thing. When I went back and looked, they were talking about the Bloods and the Crips when they was Crip walking, sea walking, or whatever, blood walking. It's a dance. I try to go back, and they fixed it so you can't go back and say nothing. It's like, whatever they did, they pulled that on one other thing, which, yeah, I think it was Thick Reds. Thick Reds ain't no fucking joke. You dig? She gets the fuck down. So, all right, you right. That was some, boy, that was real dope there. So, yeah. But they tripping. And we ain't gonna fucking worry about them. They like to spoil people's shit. They gonna look around one day and they're gonna say, you know what? Y'all too goddamn stupid. Discontinue Facebook altogether. Cause you doing shit at your discretion. All you have to do is make the damn video not viral or not visible, and say, okay, this is why we feel it's against the community guidelines or whatever the fuck they want to say. You know what I mean? Okay, it is against the community thing. Is that against the rules or something? You know what I mean? They get what, make a federal case out of the shit? It was just a ghetto video, right? And everybody know they were just dancing. These motherfuckers want to go all out, and I didn't even put it there. First of all, the damn thing was shared from Facebook. You know how you put something on and they have some music, so they was worried about copyright and all this kind of shit? Well, okay, you know how they do it. Okay, you got so many minutes to just get rid of the video, or blase. All these motherfuckers didn't even do it this time. By the time I got back to it, ain't nobody on it all day. I got chores to do. When I get the fuck back, and it was on a memory. Memories, and they bring up there and you hit it, and it was from 2 or 3 years ago. Tell you, man, you might have to, I hate to say it, but in order for you to get funky and do what the fuck you want to do, they might have to change everything to even more blacker planet. You dig what I'm saying? Come on, get as funky as you want to. Now, if you get caught doing something that's really heinous and real ridiculous, then I guess so. Like you just gonna go up, walk up to somebody and shoot them with your little 9mm or whatever. Yeah, no, that's some bullshit. But that's what this video didn't even have. They had all their clothes on. They didn't have no guns. They didn't have no weapons or nothing like that. They were just dancing and doing the goddamn C-walk and the B-walk. Retarded ass motherfucking thing, man. Every time you get hot and you start doing something, they chime in and do some dumb shit. But I'm gonna tell you, if you're a real fan, you fucks with me for real, wait till the wind blow over and I'll put some more videos on, or otherwise come see me on my YouTube. Come see me on my right here on Instagram, or come see me on TikTok. You need shit. Well, goddamn it, fuck the whole shit and come talk to me on the goddamn Messenger. They can't shit. They can't fuck with. Then what? You know what I mean? They know too many people. That's why Zuckerberg left that some bitch. Too many people wanted to just walk in there and choke the shit out of somebody. Probably some fucking idiot. It's like, can't you see that was just, I didn't just post that right now. It was old. All you gotta do is just get rid of the motherfucker. Say, look, it's not visible. We can't. And you just wonder behind the scene how much is somebody's shit. You know, you done, and people would say, I didn't see that. I don't see it. You know, yeah, you probably don't. But they don't open their goddamn mouth and say that, oh, it's not visible because we fuck with it. So then I told it was I said, well, it was an oversight. Then they put you to a whole nother goddamn thing that they swear them down. It's don't have nothing to do with them. It's just some experts that help them fix Facebook. I went on that motherfucker and I said my piece. I said what the fuck I thought. Say something good about them, they can't wait to do something fucked up to you. Like, okay. What if that motherfucker? I'm like, what if that motherfucker was something? As soon as you did something fucked up to your shit, it went right back to it turned, looped back around and went back and burnt up your goddamn phone. And your whole goddamn computer, fucked the whole system. They ought to build something like that. If it's bogus for real, shit. That's the only way motherfuckers learn. Then they'll be cautious about the goddamn shit. No, I think so. You want your job, if that's all you know how it is. Yeah, it's my job, yeah, whatever. That don't mean you don't do fucked up shit, people. What does that mean? All right then. Machine gun tearing me, my body on. Evil might make me kill you. Evil man make you kill me. But I'll just give back that pain 10 times the rain. Pick up my axe. Save my farm, you dig, because I'm a farmer. Plant seeds. See, then they'll be there trying to book with you if you went and got your own shit and you got your own fans and everything that they want to try to stop you from being in the, with the main course. And say, how the fuck you gonna do that? You could take your sorry, funky ass on over there. And people be like, oh no, we like this where the party at. Oh no, just whatever you want. See what I'm talking about? Except for the most heinous and stupidest shit. You dig what I'm saying? But we ain't fucked up about no damn. You twerking and you show a titty nipple or something. We ain't fucked up about that. The fuck? You know how it go. The fuck? What you getting all fucking excited for? The problem is once you do like Facebook did before, when they changed it over to, I guess, Meta or whatever, and they dogged Bootsy Badass out, right? Because the girl, she just got excited and she went ahead and just go on and started tasting her some candy cane. You dig? At the same time, all of a sudden you start seeing all these I don't know, I guess they was white girls. They didn't put saline, making the stuff all puffed up and putting it in their butt to make it all bubbled up in the air. And they had a whole bunch of them. And I looked and I said, ain't this a bitch? You don't see this? Y'all restricted my motherfucking page because I had a black woman on there. And she had some clothes on. She showed you everything. What I put up there was everything. But good Lord, that was not everything. You dig? She had on lingerie and shit, and they had a fit about that. I'm like, y'all some, I don't know what the fuck wrong with y'all, man. But then you gonna make us sit up here and watch every little bubble butt ass fucking. I don't know what they was, man. They wasn't. Their skin wasn't dark. I'm gonna put it that way. Then they had different celebrities or some page, and that's what they had on there. They was sharing that like that was on their highlights and shit. And I'm like, man, y'all's full of shit. I guess eventually they caught them. Tell you what, man. You know, to get this shit somewhere near back to where, damn it, go and leave us the fuck alone on this goddamn Facebook. That's why a lot of people left Facebook. I bet you put the black book or something on there, man. You know what I mean? Come on over here. Yeah, they fuck them. They full of shit. Make your whole page and do every damn thing you want to do, and let's get lit together. You did. Shit, get money and everything else go viral. Book these motherfuckers. You know, they really play you like you need them. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Shit. Fuck you in your mouth. And then they try to fix it so you can't say nothing until after they get done doing whatever they're gonna do. It's a good motherfucking thing that your life didn't depend on it. You be dead as motherfucker, you feel me? And they don't even give a fuck. Machine gun tearing my body all apart. Yeah, just want to get on here and do a little chew. A little bit of chew on the bass guitar, because as you know, I am Mo Love, and this is my bass guitar. You dig? Got my axe ready for war. You dig? You ain't, I'm guarding my land like a farmer. You dig? Take my axe and go to work. There. Chop it right in your ass, right in the ass cracker, right in the crack. So I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. You heard me?